Okay. Hi. I found some candy. Okay, so now we're gonna try microwave. Since our cans so didn't do shit, we're gonna try one in a plastic bottle. We're gonna see if it fits in the microwave first though. Oh shit, doesn't fit. Oh, okay. It's gotta be sideways. We'll have it like that. Like that? No, we'll have it like that. Okay. We're gonna cook it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. See what happened? Nothing happened. What the fuck is wrong with this? That's all that happened, was it tore its label. Nothing happened. Shit. Oh shit. No! No! Run away! Run away! Fuck! Shit!
What the heck?
I hit the thing!
Pepsi?
Oh, it got all fat too at the end. Oh, it's all, dang it. I tried to fix it and I jacked it all up. Dang it! Well, nothing happened until I did that. Okay, so we're gonna leave that there and go to dinner now. So yeah, nothing happened, but it got warm, and then I smacked it, and then it kind of decided to release itself. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna go to dinner, and then we'll microwave more things. Okay.
What you did?
Nothing. The thing kind of just went everywhere. It's okay. It's okay. I'll clean it up. Don't worry. It's okay. Okay. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.